hopefully this should be the last bit on this little segment on, well, really it's on the other Grand Am. It's not really so much on this one, but that one, you remember from the last episode, got a little bit left to do to it. It's mostly interior. Got a few parts I need to find at a salvage yard and get them put in real quick, clean the car up, and just go ahead and get it out of my way. I got what I want. I got the hood, got the aftermarket wheels, and those halo headlights are staying with that 05. So that was decided. Now, luckily on that 05, the moonroof works perfectly. It starts and runs good, stops good, all that. Now it's just cosmetics on the inside. So I'm gonna drive along to a local salvage yard that's actually open on Saturday. Now it's already 82, 83 degrees and it's the morning and it already feels like 90, so it's going to be a hot one. Try to get down there early, get down there, see if I can't find this body style Grand Am, which 98, 99 to 05 I think. So there should be some in there. Just grab those climate control panel with the knobs, trunk carpet, the defroster little tiny vent that goes right next to the driver's door on the dash. Need one of those, and I need the little grommet or whatever you call it that goes around the ignition switch because it's missing out of that one. And once I do that, get that dash all tidied up, clean it out, wash it off, detail it, that'll look pretty good. Let's get to it. Now I don't recommend doing this, but I'm going to hold that dash down with a self-tapper and a washer. And the reason I don't recommend it, it's easy to crack and bust the windshield. Don't ask me how I know, but so here it is. Got the trunk carpet. I know you didn't see it before. Picked the trunk carpet up at a salvage yard, including that cover, spare tire cover, for $6, believe it or not. Spare tire and jack is under there with almost a brand new tire on it. Factory air box. Now you can see the interior is a lot cleaner. Now I tried shampooing that. It's still kind of dirty. A lot better than what it was. The seat does look a little bit better. I tried stitching it up, but it was 115 and 120 degrees for a couple days with the heat index, and the upholstery kind of pulled a little bit. But it's still a lot better than what it was. See, the back seat looks pretty nice and clean now. Got everything back in there. Little vent. Got a vent up there. You can see the gap from where the Dash is still trying to pull up, but ain't much more I can do with it. Yeah, heater works. AC kind of works. It's not cold. But you know what? It's alright. It probably needs to be serviced, completely drained on a machine, and completely new Freon and oil and all that good stuff put in it. You see it cleaned up pretty nice. Pretty clean under here too. But as you can tell, the car is wet because it started to rain, obviously. As soon as I got out of the car wash, go figure. Alright, now as you can see, it's still raining. Picked up more. At least the cicadas are not singing, so you can probably hear me now. But there it is. Obviously, getting stuff on it now. It's getting wet, so yeah, didn't stay clean very long, but that's how it is around here. Now, like I said, was able to go salvage yard, pick up a bunch of small parts here and there. Got all the interior cleaned up. Looks a lot better than what it was when I picked it up. Now, did add a little bit into it, maybe about $100, $150 altogether. Freon, gas, car wash, cleaning supplies, all that good stuff. So, wasn't bad. Didn't turn out bad. Good car to really begin with. It just needed a little TLC here and there. But it makes somebody a good car. Now I hope you enjoyed this little few episodes. As always, thanks for watching.